Good night. Every night I cover the chickens. Now they are like that. How was your day? Who is ready to chat? Do you often small chickens? Have you accepted them into your flocks? Give an answer. Who else want to talk? Kuchinka? You are in church here. Who's flapping your wings here? Here are your matured chickens. It is already difficult to call them small chickens. They already look like adult. This red hen is adult. It lays eggs. She made friends with the new owners. Why are you gatherings in one place? This is the roosters. You can see it on such a beautiful tail. The chicken opened its back. It is hot. It is summer. It is such a warm evening now. Back at home, I close the door. Good night, hands. The light will automatically turn off at 21 o'clock. Who was not singing up yet, subscribe it so that I know interested in watching in the life of chickens in our chicken coop. Bye bye.